it's Amanda here, and this week's blog is about the power of connection. So let's talk about power and let's talk about connection. So I've got lots of different definitions on this week's blog. Power can be seen as force and an exertion of power. There's also how we perceive spiritual power and our source and what we're connected to. And reconnection and connecting, we understand that the mind and body are connected. We understand what it feels like when we're disconnected, such as that vague feeling, like no one's really at home, you don't feel well, you don't feel energized, as opposed to feeling like you've got a sparkle in your eye, or you witness someone else with a sparkle in their eye, and for some reason you just can't stop looking at them, and that's when someone is truly connected. So when we are connected, we feel a deep anchor within ourselves and we're grounded. And it is from this place that when we are anchored, it is from this place we can truly feel calmer. And that is because how you think and feel, as I say every week, is a mirror image of what biochemistry will fire. And when we're calmer, we fire human growth hormone for repair and sleep, serotonin and dopamine for the mood and the reward system. So you're going to be able to change your mind about things much easier, and you're going to be able to be more resilient in times of change. So when we're disconnected, the issues are firing stressful biochemistry, not being resilient to change, being more narrow-minded, keeping ourselves small, and feeling disenergized and beige. I like that word, beige. Nothing wrong with beige. Beige is a lovely color, but you know what I'm trying to say, that real vacant feeling. So when we have the power of connection, you can create from this space, you can create new behaviors, new habits, new mindsets, new projects. And so the benefits of connection, you're going to feel calmer, you're going to feel happier, you're going to feel healthier, and you're going to be open to more possibility. So jump on this week's blog, learn more about the power of connection and some really handy tips I've got for you there. See you guys.